La verdad que no me gustaría si matar a Sansa. O sea, no me sentiría muy mal. No me sentiría muy mal al respecto.
Sería un alivio.
Bueno, ¿tú crees que tanto le hayan preparado?
Sería un alivio si matan a este pelotudo.
O a lo mejor es bonita. ¿Por qué es bonita tiene que morir?
Porque es una estúpida.
Ha tomado todas las. Trae mi mano salón. Ha tomado todas las malas decisiones que pudo haber tomado.
Sí.
Pero ella conquistó el norte otra vez.
¿Con quién está ahí? Con
Bran.
Bran.
O sea, Bran de por sí ve todo. Yo no creo que
No
se
dice
vea
nada,
todo.
¿no? Dice,
No creo que se vea.
Es que si
todo.
lo ve todo y lo sabe todo, ¿qué tiene que decir? Solo tiene que dejar que los sabe.
es que Bran no spoilea.
Ah.
Claro.
Es buen
Sé
tipo.
como Bran. Bran ha visto todo. Bran pues ya. Sé como Bran.
Oh, gamba.
Ah, genial. Gamba. No, se van a...
De hecho, que se nota 3-4, ¿ah?
No, se mata a la mitad probablemente.
Ahí la mata.
Oscuras. Se cagan de miedo de ella.
Are you sure you want to do this?
It's not what I want, it's what honor demands.
And what does honor demand?
That I defend my family from those who would harm us. That I defend the North from those who would betray us.
Por favor, por
Ya,
favor.
meñique.
All right then,
Littlefinger.
get on with it.
You stand accused of murder. You stand accused of treason.
De Lisa.
How do you answer these charges?
Peter Baelish.
Lord Baelish.
Oh, yeah.
Sí.
Te la hicieron. Oh, las jugadas. Eso me encanta.
The not remembers.
My sister asked you a question.
Ya sabía ya.
Lady Sansa, forgive me.
I'm a little confused.
I'm a bit confused.
Which charges confuse you? Let's start with the simplest one. You murdered our aunt, Lysa Arryn. You pushed her through the moon door and watched her fall down the night.
Todo el mundo lo sabe.
I did it to protect you.
You did it to take power in the Vale. Earlier, you conspired to murder John Arryn. You gave Lysa tears of least to poison him. Do you
Bran,
deny?
Bran.
Whatever your aunt might have told you, she was a troubled woman. She imagined enemies everywhere.
You had Aunt Lysa send a letter to our parents telling them it was the Lannisters who murdered John Arryn, when really it was you. The conflict between the Starks and the Lannisters, it was you who started it. Do you deny it?
I know not of letter.
You conspired with Cersei Lannister and Joffrey Baratheon to betray our father, Ned Stark. Thanks to your treachery, he was imprisoned and later executed on false charges of treason. Do you deny it?
I deny it. None of you were there to see what happened.
I
You held a knife to his throat.
¿Sabes?
Oh!
I did warn you not to trust him.
Three-eyed fucking raven.
You told our mother this knife belonged to Tyrion Lannister. But that was another one of your lives.
Va a morir.
Gracias a Dios por dejarme ver esto.
Ya era hora, ya.
Lady Sansa, I've known you since you were a girl. I protected you.
Protected me by selling me to the Boltons.
Bran
Le saqué la
If you
mierda.
speak alone, I can explain everything.
Sometimes when I'm trying to understand a person's motives, I play a little game. I assume the worst.
Se la volteé.
What's the worst reason you have for turning me against my sister? That's what you do, isn't it? That's what you've always done. Turn family against family, turn sister against sister. That's what you did to our mother and Aunt Lysa, and that's what you tried to do to us.
Sansa, please.
I'm a slow learner. It's true. But I learn.
Give me a chance to defend myself. I deserve that. I am Lord Protector of the Vale, and I command you to escort me safely back to the Eyrie. I think not. Sansa, I beg you.
No can do that.
I loved your mother since the time I was a boy.
And yet you betrayed her.
I loved you. More than anyone.
And yet you betrayed me. When you brought me back to Winterfell, you told me there's no justice in the world, not unless we make it. Thank you for all your many lessons, Lord Baelish.
¿Así se llama Meñique? Bueno, me imagino que sí.
¿Qué onda con tu cara?
¡Oh!
¡Es Luna!
Sin asco.
Para que no hable más. ¿Ves? ¿Por qué recién habla? O sea, ¿por qué recién lo mata? ¿Por qué no lo hizo antes? Porque la venganza es un plato que se come frío.
Bien
¿Y
frío.
cómo le creen todos a ella? Porque este cuervo de tus ojos.
No, le habrá demostrado que Bran sabe muchas cosas. Ahí le habrá preguntado, oye,
No.
Bran, ¿cuál es el calzoncillo? Y Bran dijo,
Los mismos caballeros del valle no confiaban en
Claro,
Meñique.
Nadie
confiaba en él.
en ningún lado lo
Ya
quiere.
murió quien le dio.
Our men in King's Landing will march north and through